Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting both devices ready. Make sure your WH1000XM3 has at least some charge and your iPhone's Bluetooth is on. Once done, press and hold the headphone's power button for about 7 seconds until the blue and red lights flash. That puts the headphones into pairing mode. Now look at your iPhone's Bluetooth list. You should see WH1000XM3 appear. If you don't see it immediately, toggle Bluetooth off and on to force a scan. This removes most simple visibility delays. Tap the WH1000XM3 entry on your iPhone to initiate pairing. You'll usually see a quick confirmation, and then the status will change to connected. Once connected, make sure the iPhone's audio route is set to the headphones by playing a short clip. This verifies both media and call routing. For fine control and firmware checks, open the Sony Headphones Connect app. It explains why settings like noise cancellation and equalizer matter, and lets you update the headset if a firmware fix is needed for stability. Finish by testing playback and a quick call to confirm the mic and ANC behavior. Adjust volume on either device and set your preferred noise canceling level in the app. Once this final check is good, the headphones will auto-reconnect whenever Bluetooth is active. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Forget the WH1000XM3 from iPhone Bluetooth settings, power cycle both devices, then put the headset back into pairing mode and repair. This usually clears stale profiles or pairing conflicts and gets you back to working audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.